Wow, look at that. Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. No danger parasa. Oh, it's not that cold. I say, hawa chale chhani ki hawa chale भने चाहिँ साह्रै चिसो हुन्थ्यो. You can see over here. It's not cold. Oh, चिल्नु छ चाहिँ अब भने चिप्ल्यो भने चिप्लो त आइस भएको छ नि त. आइसमा चाहिँ राम्रोसँग हिँड्नुपर्छ. आइसमा राम्रोसँग हिँड्नुपर्छ. त्यहाँ बस जस्तो आइरहेछ. यहाँ आइस भएको छ. आइसमा चिप्ल्यो भने त मेन कुरा आइसमा चिप्लिनु सक्छ. आइसमा चिप्ल्यो भने चिप्लो चिप्लो. I have to go there. I don't want to miss my bus. I have to be here, there, at any cost. I don't want to miss my. यस्तो भन्छ कि आइसै आइस छ. लड्यो भने त गयो. बाटो चाहिँ राम्रै हुन्थ्यो. यिनीहरूले बाटोको हिउँ चाहिँ सोधिसोधि थाहा भएन. I have to go from here now because no option. 2 इंच परेको यार. Wow, yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. मेरो जुत्ताभित्र पस्न सक्छ यार. वाह. यिनीहरूले अझै पनि बाटो सफा गरेको छैन. It's really cold outside. हावा चाहिँ चलेको छैन. हावा चलेको त मर्नु हुन्थ्यो तर it's freezing kind of minus को छ. We got some temple here, Buddhist temple, so you can see over there. Here is the Buddhism there. This Buddhist temple. कुन ठाउँ देशको मान्छेले बनाएको I don't know which country it is. I might miss the train hour. Because illegal shows are not. I don't know. I might miss the train. Let's see outside. This is me. चिसो भन्छ लास्ट चिसो हो. It is cool outside here. I have clean over here. You can see. Everything is white. Everything is strong white. So the train will be coming from there this way. So we got to go all the way to the east side. And downtown is over there. You see the buildings over there, high buildings over there. Okay. That is downtown. Oh, it's freezing outside, man. Woo! The wind is not blowing. That's why it's pretty cool that I can stand outside. But if the wind gust was like 30 miles per hour or like 20 miles per hour, it will be really bad. You can see still the road has not been clean yet. I don't know, probably the government is, like they will do tomorrow. Today, the city will be doing today. I don't know. I have no idea. Usually they used to do the same day, but it looks a little bit better than before. Last night, it was really bad. When I was driving to a freeway, I have seen many accidents over there again. So driving in the snow and driving on other normal days is totally different. The braking system, the speed, everything. It was crazy, man. Wow. I have to wait for 10 minutes. Freaking 10 minutes, bro. You can see. It's like, yesterday was Thanksgiving, so every year around Thanksgiving, there will be snow falls, in Cleveland. It's still trying to get a powering time, like, अझै पनि परिरहेछ. So every year Thanksgiving मा चाहिँ यो पर्छ नि पर्छ नि कस्तो मजाको. Wow. The altitude is not that high. It's just like this year, like because of the lake effect over here. You can see. You guys, I'll wait for my train. It's cold.